Hello, Shannon from ATX Premier Cleaning here. Today I wanted to talk to you about our Christmas Charity Challenge. Throughout December, our team will be accepting nominations and donations to carry out challenges to raise money for the Lewis Foundation. The Lewis Foundation are a Northampton-based charity who support adult cancer patients. Each month, we already donate towards their comfort packs, but this month we wanted to go above and beyond. We are also raising money to pay for the gas and electricity for those who work with the Lewis Foundation. Taking away this small stress and giving back to the community is something that's really important to everyone at the team here at ATX Premier Cleaning. So I've got a hat full of challenges and I've got names as well. So let's pick these out of the hat and hopefully we will raise lots of money for the Lewis Foundation. I will leave a link above for you to click on and donate. So our first challenge: let your child do your makeup and style your hair and leave it that way for the rest of the day. So the name for this challenge is, if I can open the little sticky note, Sam. Sam is our operations manager. She is the backbone of our office. If you ring in, it's probably Sam that you're talking to. She's super friendly as well. So our second challenge is let your child give you a face tattoo with a washable marker and wear for the day. So who has got this challenge? This is me. I'm the marketing and sales admin of the team. So make sure you like my posts. The next challenge is walk across Lego on bare feet. Okay, this is going to be a tough one. And this is the office team, so everyone in the office team. So our office team comprises of myself, Sam and Rob, who is one of our directors. Another challenge is moonwalk everywhere you go. Oh my word. These are good challenges. Drop below any other challenges you want us to do. We really want to raise as much money as we can for the Lewis Foundation. So on this one, we've got Rob and Imran. Rob's one of our directors. Imran is the other director of the company and he works within the cleaning team. Next challenge, lip sync a song on Facebook or Instagram Live. I think that's a really mean challenge to do. Let's have a look. This is Lee, who's our high-level cleaning operative, a part of our cleaning team, and is carrying out the high-level cleaning that we offer, and Rob, who is our director. So I can't wait to tell them that they've got to do these challenges. Next challenge is balance a cup of water on your head for 3 minutes, and if you fail, someone else in the team has to do it until someone succeeds. So this is me. So I'll start it, and hopefully, if I can do it, we won't have to pass it on to anyone else in the office. It's got to stay on my head for 3 minutes. I don't know if I'll be able to do that, but we'll give it a try. It's all about raising money. Next one is wear a crazy wig for the day. So this is going to Sam. So I'm sure someone in the team has got a crazy wig for her to wear. Again, this is all going towards raising money for the Lewis Foundation, paying for the gas and electricity. We will also be donating to their cancer packs this month, as we do every month. They're such a brilliant charity. The work they do is really incredible. Lorraine and Lee and their massive team of volunteers, a huge thank you for everything that you do. Keep up to date with everything that we are doing with our challenges. Please follow our journey along and make sure you, your team, your offices all donate for such a brilliant cause. Thank you ever so much. Have a great day.